Bhagavan here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo from this to this. Do watch the video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. So without much further ado, let's begin. Open up the Lightroom app and go to the develop options. In there, go to the basic settings on the right. From here, you can change the exposure and the contrast settings a bit. I'm going to underexpose a little and increase the contrast like this. Also decrease the highlights and the shadows. Increase the whites a little bit. Increase the blacks. In the clarity, increase a little bit of clarity and decrease the saturation a little bit. Follow the steps. Then next, go to the tone curve. Here you will make a slight S curve, not a lot, just a slight one. After making this slight S curve, go to the color panel and change the hues the way I am doing it. That's it for the color panel. Now let's go to split toning. Change the hues. Like this. Change the split toning like this. After that, go to the effects panel and here put on some vignette. I think that's good. After that, go to the calibration settings. Follow the steps to achieve that warm rustic look. And now for the final bit, you have to change the temperature of the photo, make it a lot warmer. Yeah. And one more thing, for this kind of edit you need greens and blues in your image so that you can change the hues and make it more warm and yellow like this, or orange if you will. This edit will not work on each and every photo. I will show you an example. After pasting the settings, you can adjust and play around to find a more suitable look and feel. And as I was saying, this settings can't be used in each and every photo. For example, this one, if I paste it on this one, it will look something like this. It doesn't look quite good. It's okay, but it's not the same like this. So how did you like it? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And that's it for today. See you in the next one.